Hello students, welcome back to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma. Students, we are right now studying polynomials. Okay, so starting as we always do, writing the chapter's name, which is polynomial. Okay, so we were doing factorization of polynomial. What we were doing? Factorization. Okay, and when we did that factorization of polynomial, we came across two processes. We studied that process, two process, first for the cubic polynomial and second for the square polynomial. Okay, now I told you that I am having some another identities for you in my box, in this box that will come out today in my next lecture. So this is my next lecture. So we are having some identities, we can use them in our polynomials, and these identities, believe me, they are very familiar with you guys. I'll write them one by one and you will say, ma'am, this identity we know for sure. Okay, so what identities you can sorry use in factorization of polynomial, that is x plus y whole square. Now you all can tell me what is x plus y whole square. You all know it from algebra, that it will be x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Now the second one is x minus y whole square, and that will be, what you have to do? Nothing but just put a minus sign here in the place of plus sign. Because why it's so? Because it's nothing but x plus minus y whole square, that can be written as x plus minus y whole square, and then we will write it like x square plus 2x, and y is minus y here, plus minus y whole square. Now minus y whole square is y square, so that will be x square plus x minus y, so minus will come here, minus 2xy and plus of y square, because minus y whole square is plus y square. So this is the same formula we are using here. So basically this is nothing but this is x plus y whole square and this is x plus minus y whole square. So that's derived by there. Now how we derived these formulas? X plus y whole square, that means x plus y multiplied by x plus y. We solved that brackets and got the final term as this is. So we are going to use these formulas. So this is your first number formula and this is your second formula, and now come with this third formula of x square minus y square. Now I am very sure students that you all know about this formula also. What was that formula? X square minus y square equals to x plus y, x minus y. Just write x plus y here and x minus y here. Now just repeat it with me. X plus y whole square equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now x minus whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square, and now x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. And there is another formula, this is formula number 4, that will be x plus a, x minus b, or let's suppose plus b. Okay, so x plus a, x plus b, your second formula, and that will be x square. Okay, the first term is x square, then the addition of a plus b multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. Okay, here the first term x square, the second term is of x, but you are adding the constant and the third you are multiplying the constant. So, adding the constant, multiplying the constant, adding the constant you are getting x, and the multiplying constant you are getting only constant. Okay. So, these are the 4 formulas you are going to use in your questions. Okay. So, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now, note these 4 formulas so that we can have some questions on that. Okay, note it down. So, now we are having some questions. Okay, so we will have some questions over there. One by one we will discuss about them. So, your first question is, use suitable identities to find the following products. Now, you are having these 5 questions, right, and you have to find the answers. You have to use suitable identities. Now, what are the identities? If I will say this is x and this is a, then again this is x and this is b. So, I am getting what? X plus a, x plus b. Now, you will say, ma'am, how will we identify? It's not, isn't it very difficult for us to find out which identity to use, because there are not all these 4 identities over there you are watching right now. There are more identities. There are identities to be added in that. Okay. So, how we are going to judge on in which question what type of identity we have to put. So, for that, just do some quantity questions. When you do the quantity questions, like when you do multiplication, 2 questions, 3 questions, 5 questions, and you come across that same identity is using in 4 or 5 questions, then you get to know just by watching it, just by looking at it, that what particular identity you are going to use it. Now, just I am telling you that is x plus a and x plus b. These both are different. Just look at it, this is x, this is x, that means x plus something is going to be here. Now, if these are same, see whether these are two same or not, these are two not same. So, we are going to for the identity x plus a, x plus b here. Now, this is again different, this is again different. So, we are again going to with the identity of x plus a and x plus b. The third one you are having this 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. Again you are having this is x plus a and x plus b. Again you are having the same identity. Now, this is the next one. Here you are having this is y and this is y and this is 2 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Now, how this one is different from these 3? Because we are having 2 by 3 here, 2 by 3 here. I have told you, look carefully, if you are having something different here and different here, then you have to apply this identity x plus a, x plus b. But if you are seeing that this is same and this is same and this is also same, the only difference is here is the sign. In that particular case, you will have the identity x plus y and minus x minus y. So, this is that identity. Now, in that case, this is 3, this is 3, this is 2x, this is 2x. That means again, which kind of identity? Only sign is changed, sign has been changed from minus to plus. In that case, we will also say that I am going to use x plus y, x minus y identity in that case also. Understood? Okay. So, let us solve this. So, we are not going to have much more margin for it, that can be solved in that particular margin only, so that we can see our formulas also and apply them also. Okay. So, for that I am applying that for the first one, Px equals to x plus 4, x plus 10. Look here, x plus 4, x plus 10 is given. By identity, which kind of identity? By x plus a, x plus b. Now, what was x plus a, x plus b? Now, let it just have some space over there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is our identity x plus a, x plus b is equals to what? You can see here x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus here x square plus a plus b x plus a b. Okay, now come this side. You are having the same formula here, so we will getting x square, what I have told you, x square plus a plus b, the summation of these two multiply by x plus the constant multiplication as a constant only. Okay, so put x equals to x, a equals to 4, a equals to 4 here, right, and b equals to 10. That implies px will be equals to x square plus 4 plus 10, a equals to 4, b equals to 10, x plus 10 multiplied by 4, you can say 4 multiplied by 10, a multiplied by b. That implies px will be equals to x square plus this is 14, so 14x plus this is 40, so that is 40, and that will be what, student? Your answer. This is your answer. Okay, should I rub these formulas, right, student? You know how to use it now. The rest two questions, second and third, are on the same formula, the same pattern. You will get to know the use of minus, how to deal with the minus if it is coming in the way. So, our next question, question number second is x plus 8, x minus 10. Now student, this is x plus 8 and x minus 10. Now this is the same formula, x plus a and x minus b. Now you will tell me, ma'am, there is a minus. Can't you see it? There is a minus here, and we have studied the formula x plus a and x minus x plus b, not minus b. So there is no doubt about it. I have told you the same formula, but can I write x plus a, x plus b, this in this format, like x plus 8 and x plus minus 10. At the end of the day, this is going to be x plus minus 10 will going to be x minus 10. So this is similar. So that is a equals to 8 and b equals to minus 10. By the same identity, do I need to write the identity? Okay, this time I am writing x plus a, x plus b equals to x square a plus bx plus a multiplied by b. This is your px, let's suppose. Px will be equals to x square, okay, plus a plus bx plus a plus b. Now a is this and b is this, so a plus b, a plus minus 10 is minus 10, a plus b, x plus a multiplied by b, that is. Now just solve this, you will get x square minus 2x minus 80. What you get? X square minus 2x minus 80. Now that will be your answer, students, right? This is your answer. So now you understood that if on the first place you are getting plus sign, in the second case you are getting minus sign, how you are going to solve this? Written? Okay. So for the third number solution, there is a slight change. This is a minus. Okay, this is the exact format. Now you can also write this 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5 as 3x minus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 4. That means whether plus is going to be there or minus is going to be there, or minus is going to be there and plus going to be there, there is no change. You'll just change your a and b. Like a will be minus of that something and b will be minus of that something. There is nothing changed in that. Okay, so formula will be used the same. Now this is the third one. Here you have got 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. The first terms are same and the second terms are having different terms. So again by the same identity, here you are having x in that formula, x equals to 3x, right, and a is, okay, a is 4 and b is minus 5, right. X is 3x, a is 4, b is minus 5. You just have to replace these values in the identity. Okay. By identity, now I am not writing the same identity again and again. You can just note this. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5 will be equals to x square. Now x is equals to what? And the place of x I have got 3x. So that means 3x square plus a plus b. So a is what? 4 plus minus 5 is minus 5. A plus b x. Now x is 3x plus a multiplied by b. A is here 4 and multiply by minus 5, right. Now that will become 3x square is 9x square. This is 5 and of minus and this is plus 4. So 4 minus 5 will become minus 1. Now minus 1 multiplied by 3x is what? Minus of 3x. Okay. Now plus and minus, again minus 5 4s are 20. So minus of 20, that will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20, and that will be your answer. Now you can have these all 3 questions on your own. These kind of questions you can just practice them from the sheet. Okay, you get much more questions like this. Now we are getting these 2 questions and these are based on the formula x plus y x minus y, and the identity we are using is x plus y x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. Okay, so just note this and we will move forward to our next 2 remaining questions. These 3 we have covered. So now this is the questions. Okay, so we are getting these 2 partitions here. In the first one we will solve this 4th one, and that is y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2, right. And here the 5th one we are getting 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. What identity we are using? By identity which identity x plus, or should I write that here, by identity x plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. Okay, now in this case x equals to, x is here giving as y square, alright, because this is same and this is same, and we are having only a sign changed in these two brackets. That means this is x plus y, x minus y format. Okay, so that is x equals to y square, not x equals to y square exactly, but we have got y square in the place of x of our identity, and in the place of y we have got 2 by 3. Don't confuse over there. That means you have to write y square in the place of x and 2 by 3 in the place of y. Okay. Now, y square plus 3 by 2 y square minus 3 by 2 equals to, this is x, so x square, that means y square's square, so x square minus y square, so y is replaced by 2 by 3, so okay, simply 2 by 3 square, that means that will become y raised to power 4, y square square, something like a raised to power m multiplied by n, okay, so that will be y raised to power 4 minus 4 by 9, and that will be your answer, and it's so simple. Okay, so this is for that, and now come to this final question of this particular question. Again we are having by identity, which identity we are having here, x minus y, x plus y. Again this can be reversed, that can be written here and that can be written here, so that is x plus y, x minus y, x plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. Okay, so what we are going to write here is simply 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x will be equals to x square, that is 3 square, minus y square, that is 2x whole square, and that will be 9 minus, not 2 but 4x square. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so note these two questions, students, so that we can move forward to next question. Right? Okay, so let's say this is about this question. Now you know how to solve this kind of question, how to use identities, right? Now we can solve some questions like some squares, some cube roots, even though we can solve them. How we will know them? Because we can just, if you are having a number like 104, okay, so you can divide that number in 100 plus 4. This is a a plus b format. In our case this is x plus y format. Now I am telling you that, students, if you have to find the square of 104, are you going to multiply it fully? No, there is a simple format that you can just divide it in 100 plus 4 and whole square. 104 whole square equals to 100 plus 4 whole square, and now you can solve this particular by the formula x plus y whole square. Okay, so you know, calculating 4 square is very easy, calculating 100 square is very easy. Now calculating 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 4. Now I'm just telling you and you just can calculate it, and adding these numbers is also so easy. So what we can say that by using these identities in numbers also we can solve it in a very easy way. Okay, so let's move forward to our next slide of questions, that is evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Now what we have to do, we have to evaluate these without multiplying. We don't have to directly multiply this 103 to 107, that's a long process for sure. So what we'll do, okay, so here the first question, 103 multiplied by 107, that is 103 and multiplied by 107. Now you don't have to multiply it directly. So what will you do, just break it in something like having zeros. Okay, so we can have that one like 100 plus 3, that's something I was telling you before, 100 plus 7. Now look at this, this is x plus a, x plus b format, isn't it? Look at it very carefully, this is the same format. So by identity, which identity? X plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Here x is 100, a is 3 and b is 7. Simply, okay. So just put the value, implies that is equals to this 103 and 107 will be doing what? This will bifurcate like that formula. So we'll using that identity. So that will be 100 square, x is 100, so 100 square plus a is 3, b is 7, a plus b multiply by x is 100. Now the next is a multiply by b, that is 3 multiply by 7. Simple. Okay. Now you will get simply 10,000 here. Okay. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. So simply this is, yes, it is 3 and 7. So yes, so that is 10 here again, plus that will be 21. So that will give you 1, 2, 3 zeros plus 21. Now you will get 21 here, a 0 here, a 1 here and a 1 here. So that will be your answer. Without multiplication, by just using the identity, we solve it and we solve it very quickly. Okay. Now this is for 103 and 107. Noted it? Now the second question we are having. What we are having now, second question, second part of this question. You are having this question as 95 multiplied by 96. Now how can you bifurcate in something like 100? I have told you to put something like 100 here. So how can you bifurcate in something which is connected to 100? So you can just see here that if it's not, you can write it like 90 plus 5 also, yes, but the calculations are not so easy. So we try to reach approximate to 100 or 1000 or multiple of tens. So how will we do that? So we are having some zeros and 1 only, and like simple as that we have done it before. So I cannot use plus here, but I can use here a minus. That means 100 minus 5 is 95 and 100 minus 4 is 96, right? So these are the hints I am giving you. So do this question on your own, and we will meet in our next lecture with these two questions solving, like we have done this first part before, and we will do these second and third question, and after that we will have some more interesting identities and will solve interesting questions. Till then, enjoy your life. Take care.